Hello everyone, welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Soumya Agrawal and you have started watching our weekly highlights. So let's begin with the first news of the day. The 9-day telemedicine service training course was formally concluded with the lighting of lamps at the feet of Bharat Mata and Saraswati Mata by Devgar MLA Narayan Das and officials of Ekal. During the closing session, all the service providers were honored with telemedicine kits and blankets. The attendees from the North Jharkhand Division Committee encouraged all the service providers to effectively and efficiently implement the work in their respective villages. Moving forward to the second news, in the Bageshwar region of Uttarakhand, under the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath initiative, all village residents gave a grand welcome to the Rath. Following this, a 1-hour grand satsang was organized, during which 10 families were designated as Hanuman families and 2 villagers took a pledge for addiction-free living. A total of 70 people participated in the program. On to the third news, in Banaskantha, Gujarat, the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath projects 2 Raths were ceremoniously worshipped and inaugurated for expansion into rural areas. One Rath was denoted by Bal Kishan Podarji and the other by Kalpanaji Fruitwala. These 2 new Raths will operate in new regions. With these additions, there are now 5 Raths in the Gujarat division, up from the previous 3. On to the next news. In the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand, a grand Kalash Yatra was organized at the district level. The journey began at 10 am with Suresh Kalakoti lighting the lamp. Participants dressed in traditional mountain attire started the procession from Dofar and concluded it with an aarti of Lord Shri Ram at the Ramlila ground. The journey covered approximately 3 kilometers. Moving forward to the next news, a meeting of the division team and division heads was held under the chairmanship of National Campaign in charge Rajesh Goyalji. Discussion covered the task and quality of work of all volunteers according to their responsibilities, and detailed deliberations were held on the challenges and solutions in the work areas. Moving forward to the next news, recently Siddharth Shankar Gautamji, Central Publicity in charge, and Janmay Pratap, Anchal Committee President, inspected the Arogya project in the Gola block of Ramgarh. They toured several villages in their vehicle, inspecting and gathering information about the eye care mobile van and telemedicine home treatment services operated by Ekal Abhiyan's Arogya Foundation. On to the last news of the day. Under the Shri Hari Prasar Plan of Uttarakhand Division, the annual efficiency class for Vyas Katha narrators was inaugurated with the lighting of lamps in front of the statues of Mother Bharati and Lord Shri Ram. The event was attended by senior RSS Pracharak and World Hindu Council member Sneha Pal Singh along with residents of Sardar Nagar village. That's all for weekly highlights this week. Stay tuned and we'll bring you more such updates. Till then, keep watching Ekal Bharat.